This absolute eyesore is Source Filmmaker, one of Valve's most neglected projects right next to Team Fortress 2. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. The entirety of Source Filmmaker is held together with duct tape and dreams. And this is the Source Filmmaker Steam Workshop, where you can add even more duct tape to it and put on some glitter. And wow, that is one hell of an add-on to be on the front page. But anyway, let's go to maps, and you'll notice you don't have the best selection, not gonna lie. What you're gonna notice, half of them are small or poorly built, and the other half is Team Fortress 2 maps. It gets to a certain point, so you want to create your own map. Oh, well, okay. All you gotta do is find Hammer in your directory and like create a shortcut. Wait! You did it wrong. You did it wrong. It's not gonna work with a shortcut, because of course it won't. Don't ask me why. I don't know. It just doesn't. And now, well, you just think, oh, well, I'll just open it. And it's like, wrong! Wrong! You're wrong again! When you're actually looking for hammer.exe, you gotta go to your Steam library, Steam apps, common, Source Filmmaker, and then go to game, and then go to bin, and then scroll down, and you'll see it right there. Editor's note. You can also just go to Steam, click on manage, go to properties, go to installed files, and then click on browse right here, and then go to game, bin, scroll down right here, bam. That should be roughly the same for any other operating system. If you're on Linux, then I have a video on my channel showing where the Steam files are on Ubuntu, but for some reason, and don't ask me why, it's a little broken if you just run it regularly, so you have to run it as an administrator. And then it will actually work properly. Don't ask me how. One more thing. It's not going to happen for me because I've already done all this stuff, but when you open the Hammer editor in Source Filmmaker, it's going to tell you that you're missing some textures, your viewports are going to be purple, and it just won't really work very well. Now, I don't know why that happens, don't know why you thought I would, but the fix is pretty simple, I guess. What you need to do is go to Steam and then find Source Filmmaker in your Steam library. After that, you click on launch, and if this shows up, otherwise you can edit the selection in your settings right here. You choose to launch the SDK instead. Yes, Source Filmmaker has an SDK, believe it or not. And then you need to reset your game configurations and click OK, and then click OK again. And it'll override some of this stuff. Just click OK, you're good, bam. It should work now. If it doesn't, try again, but it should work. And then, after that, you can go into your files, your Source Filmmaker files, run Hammer as an administrator.
Don't go to sleep tonight. I'm coming for you.
It should work. Now, of course, you're still using Hammer, and that's your only choice. You do not get the luxury of using Hammer++. That's I don't know why you think that. Why you would think that? Because as you can see here, going to the Hammer++ website, wherever it is, it's here. You will see that there is no listing for Source Filmmaker. That's because the way Source Filmmaker works just isn't really compatible with Hammer++, as far as I know. And so you're stuck using regular Hammer. And this is the Steam discussion that I got this from. So thank you to this person right here who actually knew what they were doing. God, I sure do wonder why they know what they were doing. And so, yeah. Have fun and good fucking luck, 'cause that's all I can tell you when you're using Hammer.